Welcome back to my channel. And also too, sorry if I'm gonna be like a little bit quiet. It's like 9:30 at night and I don't really want people to hear me, but yeah. I guess what I'm just trying to say is welcome back to 31 days of Allieween. I'm really excited. I've had so much fun creating these makeup looks, and even though like I'm not like a complete expert at makeup, I just had fun. And so you will see in some tutorials that some tutorials are better than other ones, and that's okay. I'm still a beginner. I'm no way a professional at all. I'm just having fun with it, and I thought this would be like a fun way to challenge my creativity along with like my skills, I guess, even though I don't really feel like I have many skills. But yeah, that's about it. If you don't know what Allieween is, it's basically just every day in October I upload a new makeup tutorial every day, and that's about it. So I mean, I'm gonna rewind a bit. This is kind of my third attempt at it. My first year I called it Allieween, which was, just the H at the beginning and then the alley in the middle, and then that kind of just flopped. And then last year I just stuck to 31 days of Halloween, and I continued it on my Instagram account. By the way, it's gonna be linked down below. But the video part, it was a big hassle and like a big technical difficulty, and that wasn't very fun. So this year I've prepared, and I'm hoping I can make this my best try yet. I mean, third time's a charm, right? So we're gonna see. And so yeah, I guess that's just enough of me rambling. Now you know what Allieween is, and now you can, we will just get on into this tutorial. Alright, so first I'm going to prime my lids with the NYX eyeshadow base in Nude. And then I'm going in with the Morphe 35P palette, and I'm just taking that nice like light mauvey shade and putting that in my crease. And a little bit more of a deeper but still light mauvey shade in the crease. And then I'm taking a nice like little berry color and putting that on my lid. And then taking this like dark grape kind of shade and putting that in the outer corner. Then I'm going in with the NYX Epic Ink Liner and making myself a nice wing. Next, I'm putting on some concealer. I don't think I showed you what kind, but it is the NYX HD Concealer in Nude Beige and to cover up my blemishes, and then Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in Light Sand to highlight underneath my eyes. And then I'm going in with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation in Golden Beige and just blending that out. And I'm actually going back with the same shades, but in the opposite order. So I'm taking the more deep shade, putting that on the underneath my eye, and I'm using the same shades that we used on my lids. Going in with the Lorac Pro Contour Palette and putting the medium contour shade and using that to contour. Then I'm going in with the Marc Jacobs retractable black liner and just kind of drawing some lines kind of like in a contouring way, but connecting like my jaw to the end of my lips. And then again, I'm using these same shades from the Morphe 35P palette that I did on my eyes, just beneath the line, to just kind of like give it more of a bruised effect, I guess, along that jawline, I guess. And then I'm going to be using the black shade from the Anastasia Beverly Hills lip palette and just putting that on my lips. And then next I'm using the NYX Cosmetics white liquid liner and just drawing some lines down across the black line that we drew earlier, just kind of like drawing like staples.
And then underneath the white lines that we just drew, I'm actually taking the NYX Epic ink liner that I used earlier and drawing black underneath it to kind of give it like a little bit more of a pop of the staple effect. Then I'm going in with the Graftobian blood paste, and I'm just kind of putting that in between the staples all along the jawline to kind of give it the effect that I'm stitched or stapled and bleeding.
Alright, and that is it for this makeup tutorial. I really hope you enjoyed it. I had a lot of fun creating it, as well as all of them. All these were pretty fun. But anyway, that's pretty much it for today's look. We will see you tomorrow with a new one, but don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, whatever you want. Also check out my social media, link down below. And if you are a Pura Vida bracelet or a SandCloud shopper, don't forget to check out my discount codes that will also be linked down below. And I guess that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you tomorrow with a new one. Bye!